So today I've decided to make a C9 build for the muzzle. We're using ported compass center. As you see from the thing, it's well balanced compass center that provides a moderate reduction to both the first shot recoil and overall vertical recoil. Vertical recoil up and down, which would be better for recoil control. Reinforced barrel for bullet velocity and damage at range. Very good when you're going against mid-range battles. Ranger forward grip. Horizontals from left and right, and sprint to movement speed. Great forward to be able to, if I'm not wrong, be able to, while you're shooting, it'll be able to, pretty much, if I'm not wrong, it should be able to, while you're shooting, you'll be able to move faster. I don't know why it took me so hard to figure that out. Balance stock, movement speed, hip fire speed, movement speed, aim walking speed, LH speed build until recoil springs. Personally, I would use rate of fire just for this one build, but I'm using recoil spring just for that better recoil control. Alright, y'all, enjoy the vid.
Destroy the enemy. Enemy down. Bye-bye.
TACOM, commence Watchdog Helo mission.
No shot, you just killed me, bro. There's no way. I was on a 14 kill streak.
Our vehicle going hot.
Told you I had you six.
TACOM, get a UAV in the air.
Hostile gone. We've taken control.
Weaver requesting UAV.
Mark's been deleted. Scout pulse going out.
Bro, that kid's garbage. What, is that the SOG? He's outgunning me with an SMG across the map. There's no question that.
Sniper's gone. Push up.
Like, that's kind of ridiculous, bro. Getting gunned across the map by an SMG.
Enemy's down one sleeper.
Like, I don't get it, bro. I don't.
Finish line's in sight. Don't let up.
Deploy Watchdog Kilo to my grid.
Can confirm.
CIA's a bunch of proud bastards.
They won't use me then,
Don't
bro.
get medals for that.
I don't know what the problem is. Or you can mute me, bro. Instead of typing on the chat, get on your mic and say it. Let me guess, you can't afford one. It's not original, it's just how it is, bro. You're typing like a fucking kid.
Team deathmatch. Neutralize all threats. The lead is ours.
Neutralized.
Hostiles reclaimed the lead.
Move up. Marksman is down. Taking stim. Heads down. Sniper working. Threat clear. Eyes on enemy. Stand up.
That's fine. Get me out of this zone.
Fragged. Hostile marksman in on sniper threat neutralized.
Reclaim the advantage. Now hold it. We've taken the lead. You're dead. You're falling behind, Crimson.
Heads down. Sniper working.
wasted.
We're winning. Keep it that way.
Activating scout pulse. That's a kill.
Gray authorizing UAV
Get a
mission.
UAV on grid.
UAV commencing surveillance operation. Check.
Tossing Semtex. That's 10.
We're flying on fumes. UAV returning to base.
Hostile UAV established overhead.
Tackle. Commence watchdog heloading.
Arrow 2-2 established above. Right where we want them. Finish the job. Enemy UAV inbound.
Slide them.
Taking effective fire. First spin. Authorizing CUAV CPM mission.
Target down.
Move to the LZ.
Tackle.
Reload on the way.
Mission area's ours. Dispatch cleanup crew.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easy, baby. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the sake of our sides, because I want you to like that. The only reason